Okay, so I did try to do a hinge that we bent to form around the eggshell, but it kicked one part of the hinge up too much, which pushed the shell out way too far. So we tried to get it off, and that part came off, and then I just scored it. But then this part of the shell did break, and so I used epoxy sculpt, and it's stronger than the eggshell now right here. And then what I did is tape where the eggshell should go, and then I'm going to glue that in place, and we'll see how that goes. You don't need much, you just need enough to get started. And try to make it as level as you can. CA. Not CA, but that's the curative. And then I'll do a little bit here. And then if that fits really good, I can secure it more with either putty or more Star Bond, which is the glue I like to use. Alright, we'll take the tape off and then just see. Took a little bit of paint, but that's just the way it goes. I can retouch everything. So it's on there strong enough. Okay, here's a little hammer. Oh my goodness, that works so good. That's pretty dang cool. So, adding that putty where I broke the egg from the last hinge that didn't work, and then putting that top on and securing the eggshell is definitely the way to go, I guess is what I'm saying. And then you can see the inside, top, beautiful egg by Han. If you saw my last video on the eggshell, she laid it on 1/22/23. I didn't realize it was that old, but it's a beautiful little Han egg. The hinge, I've used smaller hinges, but they just weren't strong enough for the emu eggs. So I like this bigger hinge. So I'll go in and glue more, and then I probably will putty on these overhangs a little bit. Pretty cool.